Hi everyone. So in the last video, we were talking about how to send a new document for your recipients to receive their electronic signature. And the way that we will achieving this is by clicking new document, uploading our contract, and then adding our recipient, and then adding the form fields. Like for example, you want to add the signature field, and you want to add the date field next to the signature field, right? Now let's assume you are in HR and you want to send offers to your new employees, right? Now what's the issue of doing this? The issue is that every time you have to upload the same contract and add the form elements at the same exact spots, and imagine how time consuming this is. So in order to do this only one time, there is a solution in Beesign which is called templates. So let me show you how templates work and we can go from there. So if I go back, so instead of choosing the documents tab, I'm going to choose the templates tab. I'm going to create a new template and I'm going to upload my contract. So in my use case, I want to use this real estate contract. So instead of adding recipients, I'm going to add the rules of those recipients. Now, since this is a buyer agency contract, the rule of my client is buyer. So I'm going to click add, and I'm going to add the buyer as my recipient rule, and I'm going to click add. And then, just like how you are creating a new document, I'm going to choose my rule of my recipient, and let's assume that I want them to sign in the buyer section. So I'm going to drag the signature box and I would put it here, and then I would save the template using the save template button at your top right. I'm going to give this template a name. So the template name is buyer contract. I'm going to save it. And now let's go to the dashboard. And if you go back to the template, you will see that the template has been successfully created, and you can open that template and modify it at any time. So I'm going to go back. And now how can we use this template? The way to use this template is to click use template. So instead of clicking new document, you're going to click use template. So let's click that. I'm going to choose my template. And now the only thing that I need to do is to add my recipient details. So I don't have to upload the contract again. I don't have to put the form elements again. I've put that only once during the template creation, and I just need to add the recipient details in here. So I'm going to put my name, for example, as the buyer, and I'm going to put my email, and I'm going to click send for signature. And now everything else is the same exact steps. So let's memorize what's going to happen next. We're going to receive an email. So we're going to receive an email, and I'm going to review and sign. I'm going to accept the electronic signature consent disclosure. I'm going to click continue, and then I'm going to click start, and I'm going to sign in the signature box field. And I can use either typed or draw signature. Last time used type signature, so let's draw our signature this time. I'm going to put the letter M. And now I'm going to click accept and sign. And then all I have to do is click finish. And the document has been signed successfully. And once it's signed, the recipients and the sender are going to receive an email that the document has been completed. And even if I go back to my dashboard and I refresh the page, you will see that the document status is now completed. And with this, I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the new features that we're adding to Beesign. Thank you and goodbye.